Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Ramada by Wyndham Bowling Green. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet-friendly, non-smoking rooms, family rooms, free Wi-Fi, free parking and a bar. Ramada by Wyndham Bowling Green, located off Interstate 65, this hotel is a 13-minute drive from downtown Bowling Green and Western Kentucky University. It features spacious rooms with free Wi-Fi. A daily continental breakfast is served at the Ramada Bowling Green. Crossroads Restaurant is open on site, featuring American cuisine and a bar with nightly entertainment. Free access to the gym and business center is provided to all guests of the Bowling Green Ramada. Parking is also free. A cable TV and coffee maker are standard in every room at the Ramada Inn. All basic rooms include a seating area and telephone with free local calls. Greenwood Mall and Crosswinds Golf Course are both an 8-minute drive from the hotel. The National Corvette Museum is 6 miles away. Downtown Nashville is just a 1-hour drive away from Bowling Green. Use a link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.